Yeah, yeah. This year the talk show, the Kokobri Master, not want to all single mother. My people, I just see some video yesterday wey involve Ebony Obasuyi and Wesley Asoro Wesley Hotel. I want talk, I want enlighten our people. Some of our exams association women. You know, one thing we hear to talk, they always they watch things before you talk. But I know you're too much prepared to talk on this issue. But I want educate our exams association women where they cause problem for people matrimonial home. Why they talk this, there are a lot of people they are problem causer. I see no reason and some men are problem causer. And we are the church, I can never seize anything that I know is right. I will call it wrong. I want somebody to tell me what is wrong for Ebony Obasuyi to call Wesley Asoro my daddy for life. I have like clean as I have many daughters. Many daughters can call me my daddy for life. What does that imply? For you coming out to insist or to involve on that particular issue, automatically you are the problem of the matrimonial home. You want to cause problem between Wesley and the world is wife. Because for me, I see no reason. I see our women, because some of you are jobless, some of you believe the government are paying you, sitting at home, doing nothing. That is why you decided to be prognosing other people matrimonial home. My people, where they Europe, enough of all this mess. Because I will first cut this issue. Thank you, glory to glory. I will cut this issue is what I will deal on, because my topic now is always on talking. But I want to iron this issue in a little way, because I see some condemned men, some condemned women on this issue of what if we are to trust you. I deal with my daughter. I take picture or the do video. They talk say you are my daddy for life. Yes. Good morning, Osasetionsa. Good morning, Joseph. What does that mean for you people? Just carry the marker of Ebony Obasuyi. Now you don't chop one. Make I tell you what you want and understand. This Monica, where they say or wave on. People no get sense. There are something they like people. Una get sense. Una for ask Monica and Bruce. When native doctor say in lick you, in twinkle, Monica never came out to declare herself. Or that case is still pending. The case is still pending. Now I see no reason a woman that belongs to a Zanza association is now trying to cause commotion in other people's matrimonial home. And some wayward men, condemn men who believe men where they useless, where women they control, they clap for nonsense waiting they happen for Europe. Instead of now to focus on how we will make Nigeria great. Now carry people matrimonial to cause problem. Yeah? I still no reason and our women una love waiting go they how to destroy people. What has she done to you people now? Waiting West the constitution come be say he want cause problem, he waiting wife screen, he don't cause my dear now you the problem. For you to carry the issue of West because of picture, I can snap with anybody. Somebody can tell me, say, my daddy for life, I see nothing wrong. My daughter can come and see me. I have, like me, as a daughter, I have many daughters. So if one of my daughters just take a picture in my office, say, you are my daddy for life. Daddy, I'm missing you. Daddy, you didn't ask of me. Daddy, I'm back from UK. Daddy, I'm back. Then, people will now carry the video and be playing it for my wife to so that we cause problem in our matrimonial home. Let me tell you people, you women are home breaker. Those of you that engage yourself in social, you are home breaker. Because I scream, many people are there to cause commotion in people's matrimonial home. I see a lot of women, they are there looking for people that have made their name to drag them into the mold. But today, I am letting you all to know, enough of all this mess. Our women, you people need to Stop this nonsense. And you people keep on patronizing people and causing problems everywhere. And what is wrong about that? What is wrong? If Ebony Black say you are my daddy for life, is anything wrong? Is anything wrong about that? If he has anything secret, I still know his Ebony will pitch a video and bring it out. He wouldn't do such thing because he know for a problem. But I'm just giving you people advice. Everybody need to stop this how we are constituting nuisance on social media. What concern you on other family matrimonial home? Somebody say you are my daddy for life. What does that got to do with you? Bringing Ebony or Yokpa or Anne. My dear people, make we get strength. Make we know the cause problem for people matrimonial home. Enough of all this nonsense. Enough of all this nonsense. I don't see and say many of these women are just problem people. I don't know why. Monica Ambrose, may you try change. Change for better, for good. If they pay me for the way you they do. Your husband know they talk to you. Now everything when they tell you go to the person snap picture. We come out with picture, a video say my daddy for life. What does that mean? Now problem again for someone to call straight my daddy for life. Hey, I surprise the world is what they do and so. Me, I get many daughters. So one of my daughters can't take me. You can't follow me. My daddy for life. Hey, you can't just you don't chop Uyedo cassava finish. You don't chop I don't chop to. I beg. Now they beg now. Enough of all this nonsense. Some of you have to cause problem for people matrimonial. Why can Monica just carry people matter? You know what I know? I want to tell you, I know. There are some useless men where they hate and support Monica for evil. And I will bring them out at the appropriate time. Enough of all this nonsense. Yes. Because una see good to make una talk am. Enough. Hello?
Good morning, Edo.
Good morning, my brother.
Long time.
I do.
You don't tell. Yeah. About this, I watch your topic for Facebook now.
Yes, okay.
This problem for Europe.
Yes.
Maybe you don't understand them or maybe you never see them. There are some Nigerian, let me just say, some Nigerian ladies.
Yes.
That have they have made themselves set up a caucus.
Yes.
They have set up themselves a caucus of single women.
Yes.
Single mothers. And they are doing everything possible to make sure that they have people, young ladies who are single women,
yes,
to belong to their club,
yes,
to belong to their group. So they use that to destroy so many homes and make so many women come, yes, and to run men down.
Yes.
They use it to run men down.
Yes.
And it's bad for the image of our country.
Okay.
It's bad for the image of African women.
Yes.
It's bad for the image of our tradition that we have.
Yes.
Are you understanding me now?
I'm understanding you. I'm with you.
So what should be our watchword is that there is so much thing that's supposed to be happening in marriage. God that instituted marriage did not bring up that institution for the fun of it.
Okay.
There is blessing in marriage. When a man and woman come together, blessing will come to them when they get married.
Yeah.
But there are some people who are so archaic that they don't want to grow up. They have come to Europe, they have seen Western civilization, Western development. The Western development is not our style in Africa.
Yes.
We are supposed to understand our tradition and uphold our tradition. Yes. Because these Westerners are upholding their own tradition. They are speaking their language. They are introducing their language and tradition to us. And we are disregarding our own tradition and imbibing their own tradition and using it to destroy our tradition and destroying our people.
You are right.
You are right. We are supposed to use it to refine our tradition and make us know how to learn how to grow and improve our tradition and improve ourselves as a person. We are not supposed to use it to begin to use to destroy ourselves.
Okay.
I have come to see so many of us. We don't like each other. We don't like ourselves. Instead of us to come together, have unity, and know how we can grow in diaspora, we are not doing that. Rather, we are doing everything to run each other down, run our people down, run our business down, run our family down, run our marriage down, run our country down. Making other foreign nations to look at us as if we are fools. We don't know what we are doing.
Yeah.
And it is not just like that. Whenever they see us like this, it is difficult to have encouragement, to build up confidence in people like that, so that they will have confidence in you when they want to employ you in their establishment.
Yeah.
You understand now? So they will see, the moment they see people do things like this, it will now transcend beyond the norms, and they will now use it as a backlash, which will now begin to backfire in everything they do. They will not want to have good relationship with us. They might laugh with you, joke with you, go to club with you, but when it comes to place of establishment where they are supposed to have good recognition, they will begin to sideline you. You become a second-class citizen. You become even a third-class citizen. It is things like this you are supposed to be working against.
Right.
We need to know how to come together as a people, as a union. Every time I see social media, I say, one man, this one sleep with this one sleep with this one carry this person matter, go discuss for here. This woman carry this one, go discuss, this man carry this one. What is all that? That is childishness.
Okay.
It is childishness. It is lack of immaturity. You will see a man and a woman will fight because of man. One man and woman, two men will fight because of one woman. Is that what we're supposed to be doing right now? These are not the things of legacy. Many of them, their fathers are in jail because of the issue of. I'm touching every different points. So because of the little time I have.
Okay.
A lot of fathers are in jail just because of the issue of this issue of want to be a single mother. Let me tell you, I want to say something. A woman cannot play the role of a father and a mother.
At all.
It is impossible. A woman cannot play both roles of a father and a mother, or cannot play the role of a father. They come to Europe, they will become single mothers. They will say they can raise their children. Whenever those children grow up, there is always a dent in their lives, because the way they will be thinking like women. Their direction and focus will be like, because a woman raised them. There is no touch of a father. There is no fatherly touch in their life. Even if a father don't have money, but that is instilling of discipline. Instilling of discipline is the responsibility of the father in the home.
Yes.
For many women, I have seen it happen. They will run down the man in Europe. The man will not want to work. Yes, there are some lazy men.
Yes.
There are some lazy guys who will not want to work, just want to be running around, jumping from one woman's bed to the other. Do you understand me now? But bringing children into the world that you can't take care of is the height of irresponsibility.
Yes.
It's the height of irresponsibility. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
But we should know how you can use your platform to bring our women. Let there be a forum. Let there be a forum where we will not know how to lecture women. Look, let us see. Children are the ones that are going to suffer this thing in the future. A lot of children, our children, many of them are going to suffer these things that is happening today. It's happening right now. They are going to suffer it in the future. Yeah. Many young girls are having hatred for men for life because of this kind of thing. Because their mother will have planted hatred in their life for men. Yes. Are you listening to me now? Yes. So the issue, what is really on ground, how a forum can come together, begin to give women ladies in diaspora orientation that Let your man stay with you, no matter what your man have done to you. Learn to hold him down. Do certain things to hold him down. Not that I'm saying going traditional, all this thing, no. Behavior sometimes when a woman shows a man so much love, the man will not have any choice than to be doing whatever that woman says. It is because of love and attention the woman is giving to the man.
Yes.
Everything is not fight. There is no way a woman, you call a cop for your husband and expect that woman to come back to the house. If it's because of the social security they are giving to the benefit they are giving to these women every month, allowance they are giving to them every month, that cannot replace the position of a father in their lives.
All right.
It cannot replace the position of a father in their lives. Because if you have responsible children, if you bring up responsible children, you will bring up a responsible society. Are you getting now?
Yeah.
But so many homes are being destroyed. When homes are being destroyed, marriage are being divided, definitely there will be divided community, there will be a divided nation. Do you understand? If your forum can set up something that bring these women together, let there be an orientation about them.
That's what I'm doing. You see what I've been trying to advise and educate our women. Like what this woman don't like now. Somebody call you my godfather. We have goddaughter as a godfather. Okay, somebody said you name my godfather. It came up to cause commotion in that matrimonial home. Why are you prognosing? Because if a lot of you are single mother, you are sleeping around with your husband, your marriage is not peaceful. Why do you want to cause commotion on that matrimonial home? That is why I came up with this topic to now to ask, give advice to our women. What is your problem on when someone can you remain my godfather for life? What does that mean? Is it a crime?
It is, look, if I may say this, it is lack of knowledge and understanding.
Yeah. Okay. I'm hearing you go on.
Now, it is lack of understanding. If a woman come to or another woman come, I see my wife with another man in the picture. I say, who is this man? She says she's my friend. Oh, she's your friend? Yes. Agreed. A woman has the right to have friends, have male friends. She will have male friends. There is no way the husband can stop her from having male friends. There is no way a woman can stop the husband from having female friends.
Okay.
But the idea there is that let the man respect his woman.
Yes.
Respect his wife.
Yes.
Let the woman respect her husband.
Okay.
Let the woman respect her home.
Okay.
Let there be a boundary.
Okay.
There should be a boundary where they can't go further. I honor my marriage. I honor my husband. I honor my marriage. I honor my wife. I can have friends, but there is a limit I can go.
Yes.
I love my wife. I love my husband. I love my children. That is what it should be. But because so many ladies will they throw themselves at some guys, and some guys don't have self-control.
Yes.
And some ladies too, and some guys too. Some guys don't have self-control, and some ladies too don't have self-control. They just like a guy. The next thing they will just say, "I like this guy." This is, and the bottom line is that there is no fear of God.
Okay.
There is no fear of God, because if they know God very well, many of them are just church goers, but they don't listen to the word of God. When they go to church every Sunday, you see them in church. They come with fancy dress and all, but they only come to fancy to show off their dresses. They come to church to show off their fancy dresses and everything to lure other women's husbands. But the truth here is that if there is no fear of God in the marriage, if there is no God in the marriage, it is difficult for that marriage to survive till the end of time. Our parents those days, they don't know God. They were not going to church or all these things. They were just traditional people, but they respect their marriage. They respect their union. They don't joke with it. The man too don't joke with his wife, don't joke with his marriage. That's why you tell them some lasted 50 years in their marriage. 70 years they are married till they die. Do you understand me now? Yeah. But so many people just go into marriage today and come out tomorrow. Go into marriage today and come out tomorrow. My brother, I will tell you this. The day you go to that altar and you take that vow, it is a commitment for life. Are you there?
Yeah.
It is a commitment for life. It is a promise for life that you have taken, an oath that you are not supposed to break. And God said in the Bible, said, except a woman commit adultery and fornication. But if you can forgive her, you can forgive her. No matter if she says she will not do it again, or the man or woman said you can forgive her. But if it becomes a norm, you can give her a letter of divorce. The Bible says so. You can give her a letter. But the thing is that don't go into it, because the moment you do it, there is always a curse. A curse follows it too. That's why many of them, when they leave the marriage, their life don't get better at the end of it. Their life don't get better at the end of it.
Thank you,
so my brother, I will let you use your forum. Let there be another forum where you get these ladies together. Begin to educate them. Many of them are suffering in silence.
Yes.
They are suffering in silence because they can't take it. That's why you see them going after men. Any man they see, they just go after the man. Any man, they just talk to them. They just agree because they want a companion. They want a man to always be with them. But now, who talk to woman? Who talk to woman? A woman go accept.
Yes.
Yes. Who talk to woman? I go accept.
I appreciate your call. So, man, this is other people's opinion. I really appreciate your calling.
Thank you very much.
God bless
I'll try and come on. Thank you.
Pick other calling was calling. Caller. Hello, caller. Hello.
Omo love. Lock up. Omo love.
Okay, Omo love. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, wetin dey this thing so where they talk so? Now very, very bad thing. When person say, this is my godfather, me, I see no crime. We dey behave like stark illiterate, and I make we dey act like that. Because person say, my godfather, what does that mean? It means nothing. You no commit crime. Una go help me ask Monica whether they not get godfather meaning. All these women get godfather. I don't see any crime. As I be, I get goddaughter meaning. So if anyone come follow me, take video, come bring and come out. Say, daddy, you neglect me. Oh. If he gets smart, you no go do and come out, make we know now. Make we think why. These are problems. Where our women they cause problem in other man matrimony at home. My people, waiting at the tell una now. Make una they follow uno road. Hello, caller.
Yeah, good afternoon, bros.
Good afternoon.
Bro, Domo.
Oh yo.
Yeah, Baba.
Yes, sir.
Bros, he a contribute here a matter na no wa mu Latin ago bi no so no bo a se power. So no bo a fi an boy my brother. Every no ya gbin na ni here to we na ni here to we ni ya here to ya kori gbin a we bona o ye destroy ma here. Osunu na be gbin na ni ya bi ko so no bo a here ti ba we ti bros. Because Monica na o get to work with Oge Monica otutu akpere ye wa ki on tafanu lu fufu o ewepo if at least don't let the name win no do na be to problem name win no o we le mi aponu o we kele we mo ta pon no ri we you wa at least o ke ni ri agbo e pe Ọwọ́ máa ṣe lè pì ẹ̀nẹ̀ bá gbọ́n náà ẹ̀rẹ́ lè rí o tó ọ̀bẹ̀ dé mature ọ̀bẹ̀ look mature lifestyle ọ̀gẹ́ lè different. Monica ẹ̀jẹ̀ lè lẹ́yìn àgbọ̀n ìka lè ti ẹ̀ bá let me say about a week ago or some days ago ina wa ti ẹ̀ wà láì program ìwà sàn ina ti ina nọ ẹ̀ mọ́ta wẹ́nẹ̀ nínú wẹ́nẹ̀ wínà. When unana mi mwinere okpa we wa mulabia to adobo bi aje social media na ya kwaligo or ya anything don't look down on anybody I got destroy him here at least before Kedla we should cause that person verify the issue where awe olopopo ni toore ni awiya ma say ya just to destroy that person who cannot done it. Okay, madam matanu wa muladiana every time one as a godfather every time one ma be where that na kemio oh my love or whatever or anything not here Wesley. At least now we're on West family Wesley now. You want to destroy that guy, you want to destroy that family, you want to cause commotion that there will never be a peace in that house. When I don't go when they run away, when you are destroying another people's house, when you look where you were, because women of Kabota in social media now. Abi ni puni wa mo bo pe lele Monica if we wani pun why to show why destiny life because that one destiny life wanaga mo no kwadi ba le ko e mani dia tun ni kele wa mi no to wa kun na is wa let's say Monica no run na ni wo wa because iye omo mo be we puna itare ni da la we puna 29 Monica no be penere we put that person ori ni be kani ama winye no pe ne we put you are here to destroy people day and night. We were that's a program in a way and that here. At the end of the day, you throw all those things away. It's just to be going into people's life and destroying people's home. Awoke Wesley Nanado, Elian Wetalonana, Dana near maybe all the Unusalopaki at the Agmo, no even or that point here, where Banner, or Yamwe, or why a Kowa was delivered, Kowa, what kind of women it will mean and it we are my wife and Yamade Mutbinia to water ya. Because who no take you water ya. Omana to Mwe Mato that from where to Rawe. It's your duty to call your husband and ask him a question where that is the matter so lady walking at the social media or we were playing who to tie you because you're not you where you are. You don't have anything to say when your husband is talking. Because other man they pay when and I don't pay ya because Monica can't tell what happened where you go. So for that kind of reason, they don't know that where you go. It's not already on it. And let's be sure. Because of that way, the MT are taken with autonomy, the problem with what follows the so who will program in on the list of what we are at work, but when you pay the vacuum of your work because of who marry or move you know the duty of way they are yet or that for they are not yet you want after Salo Guadamade no where you want at least. They are doing too much. They Monica no Rome, maybe now why you want it. They talk here, a whole lot in the again. What else the way, whole lot in the again? I met you to give a problem in the body. I met you to give you a problem, no, where they pay, what will let be because then we're getting on a map where they know what. Because then we're getting on where we're doing. Also, put na ya in one is sunny. Then you will not learn from your mistake. You will never at least you like a family Maya destroy. Let's attenuate Mama, if only water. Attenuate Maya. A man is able to do the own one program. Attenuate Mama. Attenuate all the happiness in Noma. A program Monica working and what destroy the Ramiri after okay, the woman fan of the Nene Ulandino, you know, we are here. Oh, we are so like dia where obale be fa wa kelu yen e wa olu wa mi omo evil woman and block a woman ni the program money because afore ni ya tie bonu we kiana asete bonu o so tie bonu amaje na kase na romanu ebi na ni we wa ya kaye ni we wa kele mwati ni we ona wa ni na no wa su we wudu o na ni no wa ni etinwe ati suwe ede we America ra so ma ja ba pe ne e ma we ka do wa no tin yu loko ni e ma we ka do wa ni we mi ni we pe e ma me ri ni na sele ni we no su we wudu na ni we ya destroy kia o to je de we o ma kia be mu oko we papa na obi o ka kere o kia mu egboto because a destroyer will open sene wakima wenyesi wakima tale emina mewe yes all the encouragement in over but me that get program where we know there una one kind of courses me you no e la ya keto ade not the way this killing of courses this period is too much let's stop it but una latia una guajo and you are seeing that program and then na because we want to where we put where not really come where because to subscribe is nothing. If not really come where you know where you are, you will say the do a big Wesley and again okay like be a Monica. What problem where Monica? Can't you change? Can't you change from your evil heart? Opiadi where you are, Opiadi where you wanna, Opiadi my sister, because or that one cannot sit inside the room when you start destroying other people's home, when you are throwing stone into people's house, or when people that live in glass house don't throw stone into a glass house. Because anyway, I destroy them and we don't feel we may be open like to love whoever where to feel we Monica in fact in my we may be able to sue where to sue family every now in the world where we do we attending who to tell you what sending way where question working at western yard so for where humanity we in fact Bros, not loud, not because a problem of that open with it. On somebody mark work one. Osaloqua, even Osaloqua yet because who are we're taking nonsense things. Who are you know tell her after they went to general market, the Luna away in Asana, Mata, Afamana Wogi. Yes. What gets up of it soon, even way you allow another choir in a program where you approve. Okay, Monica, you want your ear, you have to 7 years to program. You leave the Ogi the program, you have to because they are there video on the only with them, no one who are yet the full in fact, there and not on my sister, and yeah, when it will be like when it tell who he went and even when video, but yeah, when he met him, 50 imagine that women because when he couldn't. So when they Monica no raw, Monica Manalawa, when Monica Manalawa, oh, Monica, then I'm not lava. Or when we program in it, when we program, I'm not stop you not to do your program, don't destroy people's home. I'm not going to my after you we're talking to people will listen to you. I will hear say no kunata but I didn't want to go one and the weapon, neither we well, when you have to express the feelings here, but none of them can talk. None of them can even weigh this is my left from my right. But how to destroy people's home, how to destroy people's home, how to destroy people's home. That is only what you are saying. Emma, wakimafi wenye, mani vietu, ni mani live like no rio gogo, kiri mari jima uwa, because ni mani puna eju boy asi, before me kedo live webo. Many puni manga atende in Nigeria, so I work ke webo so wa, awe ya wakwa, lo ya wakbewa. Anado mi no yo boy asive webore of your body living in webene, but here guys so what to claim innocent. Edia Korea la Jawa, then I so why they me around there. I came no so we am we goto. Here we goto what to know here because I don't we for here nobody know what he did. If you read your what he said him, I will hear what he had, no carry on my ear. Eh? So all these things, Emini are your positive weapon, or do I log in, or do I affect the parents in here? You what these are the people, the parents who was here, you what could a message you give idea when they are here, I'm out to a message bow here. A Monica Wakana, what do get one after yes, you are not with a weapon, maybe I want to, Wabwa, there's no way to shop for her. Away Facebook in Anaido, Kenaido, we go to Mametic one for 20 years or 20-something years in work with a webo. You go to Mametic one, where is social media? Well, I don't mean another wetona. A mon web and why one cost in here at all, you are costly pay for them. Because if you wear if you wear it, then that way, what we may not to talk you wear up where we are here. It will be Monicana in a lamb or I didn't for money because the same better applies together. It's not can already get payment to our money because evil, boy. So these things you are causing big problem for your children. Why what to tell you? I know you why what to go you one carry who got you papa. Well, what my sister, let's hear. Who not get money, make it get sense. Who not get money, make it get sense. When I take with my son, we take when he work when you know. I don't want to tell you what I can Monica. Irani, we are not to take away Emaro, Nisi Basso, where. A family where they don't know we are this in a man. Never have a big formation where they have a big formation in family where I have a mechanic who work below sick by a story to where the weapon. And who do it when you know your boy I see or better or generation where.
Thank you, Kola.
Plus, not woman, not a poster in a video on me. He should go and delete it or of fear your wife Monica. Of big brother, just my little contribution to this your video.
Thank you, God bless you.
I greet you, bros.
Yeah, thank you. Those were the answer of my number now plus 393510161850. Those asking for a fair number now plus 313510161850. That is my number. Hello, caller.
Hello, Faye. It's Cynthia from London. I called you the other day.
Yeah, good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You see, Monica has a problem. And the problem she has, she's mentally ill, she and Lolo. Evil-minded people.
Yes.
They are absolutely evil. And I can't understand the kind of husband that will leave her wife and be messing up on social media. That Monica's husband is a dead man. He shouldn't live again. He shouldn't live. I don't know if it's Monica that is marrying her husband or her husband marrying her. They are disgrace to womanhood. Monica and Lolo. God will punish them. God will punish them. They will meet their Waterloo. I've never known such a shameful woman in my life. No shame. No shame. No shame. How can you leave curses upon your children like this? It's unfair. It's unfair. Monica should repent. There are so many curses upon her. How can you live in Europe for more than 20-something years and you are still behaving like an animal? YouTube, social media is not for stupidity. It's for something good. She's very irresponsible. I've never known a woman like her. She's got no shame. She's got no shame. Her husband is a disgrace. You leaving your wife like a mad dog like that? I don't know where that man is from, but that man is finished.
Yes.
That man is finished. Monica is the one marrying the man. I don't know if the man has a family, because if the man has a family, how can a woman that you paid dowry for behave like this? It's impossible. It's impossible. You know, my brother, keep doing what you're doing. God will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless you.
Amen.
Look at Lola brought out that woman. If you cannot help someone, don't disgrace her.
Thank you very much.
If you cannot help, don't disgrace her. You saw the utterances of that woman that day. Let me tell you, it's not only when somebody swears for you that you receive curse. There are curses. There are curses. There are mind curses. Because out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. Those women should be careful because they will die sudden death. I'm telling you the truth.
Thank you.
Thank you, Efeyi.
God bless you, madam.
You.
God will bless for your contribution. God bless you. Oh, that caller. Calling. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello, I don't pick your whole long way for the watch and I make you talk.
To be careful because they will die sudden death. I'm telling you the truth.
Hello, pardon.
Oh, my brother.
Domo, sir. Domo. Ìwà program where we Diana will can you contribute.
What's it? Contribute.
Domo, sir. Ìwé program Monica we no then. What's na me we emi die here share. Yele share you know ma okay cut it now. E go cut it now na ya we matala la nya. Where you invite a program here all the help YouTube we do state. Emi die. Ẹ̀yin wá share the war yin awa ẹ̀yin wá share yen ni normal egun ayo. So only why the a woman is I understand there because me man there where or ma be or share if war or ma we marriage or share but me die ẹ̀yin wá share. So man we don't change. So no why contribute to paper domo sir.
Okay.
We say domo. Bye bye.
This issue where we dey talk small wey involve Monica, where the issue involve Ebony Obasoyi and Wesley Asoro, I see no reason where Monica can cause one cosplay between Wesley and his wife. Anybody can be your daughter. I get daughter. My daughter can record me and tell me say, Daddy, you will be my daughter for life. Anything wrong about that one? I see nothing wrong. I see nothing wrong about what Monica is doing. Monica, now advice I can't give you. Stop destroying people's marriage. Stop destroying our Edo people, Edo men. Enough of all this nonsense. I know a lot of useless men are hating you and supporting you, are pushing you to be bringing disgrace to our Benin men. Monica, it's an advice to you. You need to desist from this act. Because for me, I see nothing wrong. If I have a doctor now, someone come, you are my godfather, at the end, the guy see me, say, Daddy, I miss you. He was just doing it in video. We have nothing in common. What does that mean? It's a video. Does that make my wife to think we have an affair? Monica, you should stop this evil act. You are bringing pains to people matrimonial home. Do you know the pains you have caused the wife? You have turned the world, changed it, translated in another different dimension, that the wife to be suspecting another thing. These are what? Evil genius. Monica, you are evil genius. I am here to give you a piece of advice. I, as an Uyedo talk show, I want the best for our citizens. Not only the Edo people, every African people and the Nigerian citizen. We should deviate from evil art. Monica has become what? A problem to we Edo people. because you have nothing to do it. Hello? Hello? Hello, caller?
Hey. What up, hey?
Yes, sir.
4+4 squad.
Oh, Wagba. 8 in Wagba. 4+4 squad in Wagba. Governor Baseki.
Wagba, man. What up? You could be the master one. It's up in the million now. They're going to have worry. You have like when you like you work. Because when I maybe when a question, you want to know more about it.
Yes.
You understand? My way I conclude. And one thing I would say that we should not make this matter to become another hot matter again, because you know get arrested here for you know, I want another kiki. That lady Monica now, she must have more evidence. No more if you're Latin. But not if there is not too much.
Larry, I have my evidence. No more. I go about when Opia. When we
okay.
Opia. Or I love you. Who have the evidence? No more. I mean, we love you. What does that mean? Is that evidence? Damn you, man. You are a man. Onado Bolovia. Is this a crime? Opia me right no ya yo weva. O me right no ya yo pieva. Monica, Obama Lovia ke Monica. Obama Tiko Monica. Monica answered the question. I am with Monica when Monica go Bolovia ke Monica. Monica I left for 1 week on my ladder a program. I don't defend it a mini or money or manoga cannot or we love your is not a crime as a tradition demand, as a Benin man, as a culture man. I don't worry. But a problem Monica don't no cause problem. Or one is just a daughter or a problem I don't want love your is it a crime? Or not double love your crime you know or piano. Oh, piano.
Yes,
when life now, you know, my brother. A problem you are still in marriage, Wesley. We're not one who to tamo Amewe. You know, what one who say things of Amewe. My brother. Oh, Biama, let's call a spade a spade. Oh, Biama, right. Oh, Wayne, right. Ona do bodo be ana odi mo wa mo la we ye embassy o ko wa mu wa le lewe picture o wa we video daddy for life what wo ye me how you see as all your husband and wife in here but me daughter wait to lo be ke what does that mean Monica yen wo ye ko wa
we le be less celebrity also na da na that we I can know if I didn't in Wesley I can ye ka lo ye ki I had the money like for example yeah. Where the point? No. I'm a never go radio. No more. I'll get us in there. No more freely.
Only one Monica ba. Emio ma no tell no no singa boto. We are to one boto.
I get your view in the other way around. Yes.
Only me mo upa now. Wa mi be to attend be mu wa mu ya gboto ebi no money here my brother.
Only man no me man no that's not.
That is why he now kick against that issue. Emne Monica uni ne do anya no ya see as the husband and wife. Or tell me or when you know the things the wife don't pass to for West here. Automatically in time no ya single mother no ya let the West be now.
No, that's not bad. That's very bad. I have a son.
Who understand? Now you will not look at the perspective. The Monica she say what a problem woman. Anybody no miego or take them all no see a koto. Ni area ni o maniwa.
It's not good. Marry you.
Oh my emi no ba. Me if you boy me down. All say na dori budeni ne Monica. Because my brother, I know what talk by no bona la that way the Monica don't fair body and malalo with him out to call this time. A Monica la the Monica left for 1 week.
Of course now, I'm again one.
I'm again Monica. Why na me a Monica no my defended be e no bona la lo wona twinkle. When ga la lo ma we when make no piano Roma so po. Oh, my color, oh, don't have the color for your pick me up here this well. When make be any may not be a jail maso. He go mass say, if think is your boy or he twinkle, you know well. my brother. You want to twinkle, okay now. Obona twinkle here, obori twinkle little star. Obona mula, obona mula, obona gbe because of the point you like boy every day palo in agrio. Now, Monica ma do different ore. You ain't get a disgrace in your bene. You lot of fear you walk on. A problem here is to cause put pains in other people's matrimonial home. Also, when you come with me, tell the woman mind your business and let all our wives want anybody who come to tell them that we saw your husband with a woman, we saw your husband with it. No.
A crime is never.
A crime is never. Enough of all this thing, Monica. This is my advice to Monica. O ma different egbiyen isu ni ye penki.
Yes, okay.
Amaka ko.
We put your dinner.
Imere put your dinner ni ye. Unyima to sini e kanyi. You understand?
Exactly. You get to where, my brother. Get to where.
Obun da ogiye lajo we are not twinkle where we on twinkle where. Ye la lo where. Everything you have for senior we are seeing you don't vandalize you where. Uma different egbe woni. Una le. Now Monica is coming up with all these people to drag people down because I want to make it over YouTube.
No.
Oh yes, all these are things to make money to draw attention of crowd.
Mother, you be my fully be my social media. It's very bad.
Why see fully me to fully ma? These are things I don't like. Oh, see, I didn't reply that this thing. He want love you relax here, but you know what? You. Ina we mate we mi na ni Monica una ige ina we ma na ya ri bude ni name o ya we. Is it wrong for someone to call my daddy for life God how you make be your radio ne ma ri one you tell me down me daughter me God father
any mature responsible man you must have a lot of you be with your daddy
I understand only mommy wetin he love you kiyan bi ati me daddy
no. Of course, maybe we my dear brother.
You understand? So money wa no na ni wa do mwere na miere yo boni black bosiji yo ya wa vandalize ya yo muni ya Monica egbe wa wo me we Monica wo na sie na yo egbe wo na yan tuza wo na yan oyawo na Monica ko money tu ko little star
first time I
thank you, my brothers. My people, we are good time now. Why are they talking? Enough of all these things. Working Monica, they do a very, very bad thing. We supposed to tell her, make it desist from the evil way. You know me, best because you godfather, goddaughter. You know me, say, you can't take the advantage, say, they speak with the person. Now, very, very bad thing when Monica they do so to cause problem for people matrimonial home. Me as an Uya donor advice I can't give Monica. Make it not carry that thing as if say if they sleep with her. And where busy our people like to draw our fellow people down. Monica not talk about this cultist issue where they happen for Benin. I blame a lot of our women. Where be say una see of una go call her Roro. Money Coco, money Soler, money Bendelo, money Twinkle 2 star. I beg now, they beg you. Hello? Hello, caller.
Hello, Mr. Faye, Domo.
Ituae.
Afu Egbe.
Isa.
Ina Buama Egbe.
Isa.
Enurio boy afẹ́fẹ́ ya dino tenu
Ise.
Wa yo pa ma wa ye baya ma.
Ise.
O piano ko no no we te ma ta ma ya afẹ́fẹ́ no we ye oni ye gbo ye oni ye mu ya kaka we mi nu.
Ise o wi ewa.
Baba of Berame. Madere program in Umulatiana is a very nice program. Imao need a video where insult anybody, understand and even believe the way we all are human. And anybody know we are going to matter or what you see. Nowhere Monica the art never to be with the program where Manere Manani are yaton.
Yes.
Because I hope we are not dropping Piena Papana. Ima believe the way we are doing, and Ima believe the way or when you queen in our work, because I am in our work. Also, suppose not there, we will never to see the Monica Wanyina or Unime no back, duty organ not that they are not aware. Where he must defend the Monica, why you tell me my working in Monica is okay and I Unime no back no. I give you a man, at least normally. I'm away Opia material who you were. I way Ikbiaya Wabifuna, we maybe do not do you wa, Vedenena, Umeti Bawa, where Kekeli, where Uriania, Iate, okay, Unaviama, Piamo, Apiato, Woe, Etuya Fufunu, Nakesunu, Elima, or Kesunu, Menoku, one I could bury Mayani. Only Mato Tamame, the now will die you could be a ye way with Bemia. No. Anything I'm doing, in a respect, in a respect of Wuhame, so that the matter here or anything really are doing in respect with near way, yes, in Nina, you know, do all the family or Yadu Yati problem, give family and Nina away. I love my wife and my family. Actually, my brother, even we are Matanaba, Wesley, Daniel, we're not going to meet we are there being Yata, a statement in the book. Forget stupid statement. And I came here with the phone where my godfather or whatever, anything. At least when we are do we out there or you post or what? And when we video then where those one were destroy the wow. Your duty now was that to aim with phone when I could see anywhere Wesley or whatever anything. My sister, when we social media can how you post something, you give that girl advice. Anyone when like social media, now, you want to destroy Wesley because we're there and we are blessing here. They are living well, they are okay with their family. You just want to come with one stupid story and destroy those people. When a boga we are Facebook, who did it to talk away when I do me walk back with Belega. We are here because let's done. No one give you to no one give you no one see do ya destroy women or book bros. Oh, we must have when I see anyhow anybody is living his life. Let him live his life the way it will be okay with him. Before we were there a video, we were walking Wesley, any Facebook or any social media or any whatever, or my day. They will not know many people that we own where do you are on a working. We walk calls, we were while to face Sasa John Wale Yatemu, then what they own Wale Yade Muesta Goto. But to Salopua, anyone on it make you wanna. Only if we also put it where I'm because why the fish other man in a fish need no Salopua blessing here. Why do I as one why because of us now who we go yafete yale at the webu. As the Naku where do yafete yale at the webu. What say we then why get it ye while I love the social media. You what do you destroy with Maria? Or don't you know what you wear? In fact, it must show we do you where you are. Even they believe what we going to have there. o carry time we odoni re o me ke nu ku ye jine better o suppose imam a boy any imam believe one family because on have a family na te wunyi men wenye Monica o suppose ni ate we yes ona o to ku na bia aja nyi sotra Blood when we massement latia, ou ayose, ou seto ya, o mana gbowe wete me go pa no mi ewo o me mi pa ni ari enu ewo but won e do ama no selu ama na gboya tunu opa ni love ya gwa gboya we single mother almost marry ari pe ake ya ni ya lawa we mi na ya no we ya tun ye domu mu ye akwima because ekeni manari ni lati de na ekene bona ni ha we bili yeto ebogi beta we bili white wall dia we with yeto on the program video party bege vejerio ira ruwa mala dia we moto we me no ma we na pini girl because then maya we bi ma boto o se imanipun le to ya pe ki ma ni yeto maneri ese mo na o na ya ruwa webu okay, some useless element ni ho wa na le weapon egbe wo ene iya oni ya do amu iye tu magboto mi no gba ni maniri edo most baba ben wa kun na o salobo o ro pa de do san we se de na o salobo apa kan meti san we se ni ya we una because we na ya yoto ne mo e ba de video ya ni roto na in next 20 years na mo de do we do re o do we Baba say ina bon ma were pe mo we aleru nu zede ni nu yo to nebo ti legacy ene na ya ma o ni maniri edo awu so that ogogo ala ma wa ebi siare abeli maniji mani le rowa iya na dia adege petu we na ya fefe iya dia onye le dia asia iya dia ri eru esi le ki mani le webu any mado yo boy asive mana maga yo boy asine eri mari jimane no rowa ni totaria eviere iye ya fese o ma no ma sopo no te ku ju we ko do asie po ni ju no ma sopo no ko ra ko do asie po ni ra mu de mi nu we no mo yo boy asi erugwe ma ave bi na ya do ya o but Venezuela ya mae ni maya ya mae ma ya neru oge Monica wa we no lagwa na ebo pa nya yo go ba do suru ewe because eni ya ni ewuna ye ga we gbe o to jere gi ye bie ya gbonane because in maleru we emi daneri marriage ma una do log mo we dia ariota Monica see ye utona or see different confusion ye motor or see different problem ye mayato at least omana bi are we gbere when e webo whether do me we when o mweti we no yo so when we do ajo we ya disturb them anike when they what done when not you where you want on suwa when you clear your god suwa you know suwa wo ware we is mametiku we at least they ma run ya me fi ku we mo baba ko egbe nu na mo program la la ya wa jona na akwena ya ti program na ya ti le learning here ya fefe ni ya sexual relationship ni ya ti problem ke we si wo ka no we na godfather obiere na odo kina na ye we you just to defend home. But Monica, umana prime down my sister. Opportunity what you are because video now so suppose prime down my sister, but umana prime down madame wayeni. E don't know what you yore. E don't know what you wawele. Because they be that way or do pumping. So Babala, anybody no plan a program in other when he had you say, and I do because any Monica can send anybody to your program just to distract people.
Because
so when I'm out of bed, wait and say or not do your program when I was Baba off work. So will make me the one you only contributed by a mini the program in Anumula Diane Baba.
Well, so Sabi Baba, okay, my brother.
Baba, when one.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, caller. Yeah, good afternoon.
Say, the husband to a single mother.
A new team.
I say you, Lado, because we were on a single so that no make enough your gagbe. And the money kaka mudia poyo. And the money kaka matter no the wa program Monica. And Monica mana watano. And Monica wa program la dia. O wa time that will o gwalebe no ta. And no say me no I love Monica. And Monica wa ti e bolo we Monica. Don't find the truth la dia. Don't get
I know what Madam Muja.
What you make a
you know what I mean, Amuja, Otania, Damio. Honor to boyfriend, the body. Opiame, right? You can find right. Otano, when I want women. Opiame,
I'm not saying a single mother to say,
I know where now. Opiame, right? Opiame, right? Otano, where the Cabinet.
No, me, okay, me,
I cancel Madam, Damio, Madam, Damio, Wakumekwa. Madam, Wakumekwa. Madam, Wakumekwa. Umanu, whenever. Mami, Makumekwa.
When the single mother,
when Monica, we are the
okay, what's out of them? No, I'm going to move you. Na Kenya and your brother Saskazo, you want to be about your cat, that's saying. I'm saying, I got me a good Namika Sunu, I book where and Monica J.
Okay, I know what about why Monica J. Monica again, a bona twinkle Monica, Monica J. No bona la, that we are sold Monica going, Monica J. You know what?
No, why
my sister, I know what happened. Daughter.
Let me tell you, where don't I Monica?
Oh, no, my daughter, Monica, where Monica, or Emita, Gualabotetoni. Oh, my lad, about Monica, where Monica, where Monica, where
one like you, have a program. Monica number one, when I was there, a lot of the money women be near only now they are selling it. You know, because me and my mother, in the warrior by your money. You know, sir. Well, I will go Monica your talk. And Monica get a white talk. And look by with you. Because in the Monica all your way program. And Monica get a little bit of Germania. And where will the way program? You know, sir. And Monica never watch it. I don't know that good fun. Not follow Connie. And Monica, you can't suspect him. And when I do, I tear your. I say the Monica night that way, but where you way. You know, stand on me.
Monica, my daughter, my sister.
FA Mujao, of the Kagbe, everybody Sikema, the video of the Kagbe, what you can I will
get a picture with a manibu. When me want to bully the picture.
FA, when everybody very well, you must wait on friend, but everybody when she come where, I will be there. How about you go Kalesi, you are Goa, you are Usweni odere wadi yewa awe kie dere okio dere yewa ho ana wi ni wati ebole Monica si igbani yen ni wa wi ko ni wa rogodo yewa hife afei yen ni wa wi ko ni wa rogodo eni onwe bogbe Monica si eboni keke noje blessing no me Monica you understand me love Monica dey because Monica keke we are going to find a bad way no so I just anyway what is it we are making another but when you know in a worry way by you because a lot of already with car you understand because the men will go along because the 5,000 every single mother na 5,000 make hallelujah we all of about 10,000
oh so no marry odo abo e kokobiri for that single mother must marry
and now when you are the husband to single mother
yes
you are saying about when ya and you are saying about when because all of you wa vi via ya ve so no wa via kegbe you understand only Monica be binaji no single mother polo bugbe tedo kewebo ogbugbe o tedo you understand because everybody no say the Monica na mojo because everybody ofita mo mani gbe with the picture ofita mo gbe you understand
osika mo egbe ni what dey o ma osika what mean go
many things we ya we himia okwa maki mai no sunu awa ya tiebe wala sana ni ama ya tiene awedo ye ko ya tie amaka we boni be me ka we boni to wa friend but yere ni we no we sikamu ya pe because really Nigeria me na we mo piania ile wo ha bai we are going to tell you that for it. So the one that media. Oh, she been here. Papa, when I want to have Monica. Oh, when I want to have Monica.
Madam, everybody give it to everybody else.
He was like all single mother. Oh, God,
for waiting I talk, everybody hear you. For him, anytime we are time up. Is anyway people coming? Hello, caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello, pardon mo.
Koyo.
No, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Epa ola emyo yo pa ni kweni taye mi na oge Monica
Dami owe Mom ade program you wa
Okay, baby.
Hello madam
so that time he no come talk, he come enter house on the read Bible.
No, I know you what you talk, madam. You talk again, madam. We don't hear you talking again.
Hello,
God talk me. We hear you now, madam.
I said the time when native daughter say he with Monica they get affair. Say if Monica say na lie, Monica come out, come reply her. Monica no come out. Then when they want come out later, Monica come out with pregnancy, fake pregnancy. When she say she get twins pregnancy, why Monica not reply Monica native daughter also date? We want make it come talk when na lie or na truth for that one before he begin to talk about people. Make she first talk her own first.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Now that one me ask her.
I bet may you because me not into all these social media things. You now you see get platform. May you bring the topic come and say, Monica, answer native daughter. Is it true or la native daughter no ro? Is it their life for today? Or when do stage no deto no? E Monica will lolo. Na lawa. Then after about a month, they come and say, pregnant woman. None of the narrate like that. Mona leave her. Monica, she's pregnant. Later, they come say she born twins and everything at the end because say April Fool. After about 9 months, they come say na April Fool. Because the matter that time don't die. Monica no answer. Before you go call the accused Ebony Obasuyi, may she fair reply native daughter. Ebony, she's a single lady. I mean, she's free. You know the husband. She the husband with such allegation. She never answer her. She never tell us the viewer. We want to know the truth, Epa. If you follow anybody, wait that.
Okay. I don't hear.
Okay.
Thank you. That true talk. Monica need to come answer that one. And the see people are calling, which is very, very right on that point where this girl talk just now. Monica not defend that particular issue wey involve native daughter. Your native daughter say in twinkle. In so native daughter. Monica not defend that thing. You want to ask. Hello? Hello, caller? I hear you call up from Holland.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Obava, he come from Holland. If Monica we know there. Maybe all will not save the marriage or maybe all will destroy marriage. Because if not say any time, it be me and not soon that or team no was see me make go or that for or more who or can but here thank God we in a so mo pa o si awa no the over you don't have a best friend there. So none of our trust other for any or we trust any no because ni opiano lele ni other for every hon gina. So odu na wa fie ke gbin our trusting and so many people and do call opiana o kan aha my well oh that for me that thing suspect in that for but the woman well trust of that for you so we know that for we giving me all that for well la say even ya gboko na ya wo na ma say a class here we because on a high class women all that for lele here. But a man well, okay, no. He only have a boyfriend that break. If all that food men now, or that food or see any, or that one time now, no, settle in our way, no, that one. A boyfriend and not marry. So a boyfriend they not have my well. Yet, who now manage a system that a family and Macqueen and marry where she's too local for her. And the woman wait, you know. So not knowing where later when I will turn around. Keboke alawa tiba ono ya mie o temo do. Ona wa mie o hona gi hama. Ona wi na we do hama o teme no simi mena. Where ya no da for wo no nya ekoni. O da for we na no ona no da for we wata na. La o bi ona we apa de ni Diye gwa gbo ya wa gbo papa na o ma na kwe ka ma we self we ye lo we kwe ge na ma heke nu boy o ma ni that a class yen na here you do have me to be me na we trust of that friend or ten na because she is very responsible way ya fefe and now we know other for where ti we gbe ve ana
madam emi dan no biana lo ye ko o mo e culture imanu me o ni ma
bi yo dan bet all talent dia o dan no fi na we ni tamu but I don't do a pretend in my like my daddy or a best friend.
Ijima Mudane.
A best friend.
A best friend in your mother. Opiano no like best friend of Opiadano. Me Opiano no best friend of Amake.
I want you in again. You know the day guest or tia where him no wa die or na Emma or na man die that's why Emma die. What you are destroy? Your sisters.
Madam, I don't know Madam Yomea. A Monica first of all, Tanya nowhere. A Monica Egbe Wesley Noah. Answer me. Just on now, Monica, we no go mula that the social media that we are. They settle no settle. Madam, you want me?
Because ni amado tala diani even otie the woman ni ado tala diani all those save that marriage
oh no Monica una madam
don't hold him
madam ni wa di wa ni po yen o pe yan we mi o po won pe o ma o pe awe mi no o pe awe yan we mi
when they born in Yahweh, it's not right. All respect be no respect marriage, all respect Wuhan.
What meaning that? Niana madam, niana we picture have star have famoso Davido divine way ya yo evita noa. E madam be ni me ije na famoso da mi ome. Madam da mi ome ije madam mi ome. Ije da mi ome. Only different, madam da mi ome, madam wa da mi ome Holland. Madam dame omenia oh god ishima ugawe o se igbo mala gun egun ame bi agun ido tawi oni bo si ehun de vandalization iwi en respect ise dame ome ise dame your mama emi na nu wetana o ma na popular o ma mego everybody want to hold you and snap with you. When I'm a governor, me woda me muda ke picture. Now, a Wesley popular. Everybody when they ma a godfather any. Oh, now my picture. What does that mean on my video? Ne man show go man. No people no worry this boss have done here mula jana. Okay, crime no. Ni bona ate jana ate be. Abi boni ga mu ate go straight go me picture no. It's only primitive people. Or do I suspect and or do I tell nonsense thing? Because that is why money put the primitive madam. Dame sure na. Madam dame ogo tu weni. I thought phone ya thought phone ya ogo tu weni wa different. Oh no na Monica oni esiezo you word don wa me. Emi ga sunu tie Wesley I hope etun lo bi e couple na won osofa no an we mie uta berio uta mi o me madam anyway mo la dia o mi no ita o yo pa no o ye fa no o we te my de etoni we are going to Monica ya atain ga tabe o ye be no boya block we no boya go into to ni because if nothing no that me because me reva ni be ni ya sunu because me ni be sunu be ga ni na be tio that one na we give ni o pin awa e wo gede we e try e yo e wa we ona wa be fiyen o tio da fun na ke le fiyen Ifu ichime very me ya na be tie ya na be no na be fiyen madam a story na go sana oye bi wo wa sunu da story na go sunu da yima
I must sunu da because my mama marry must sunu da me marry am I waiting me ya no sunu da no see me sunu da obi na reach my back
one of my wife when my husband to us single mother who must marry
single mother.
What's a voice when I or a voice said today?
I don't know. A voice
a voice said today we want may be a mama a voice said today
it might be a voice I don't know. But in the fiancé, Mario was January Mahana marry.
Okay, well,
so go on the marriage, maybe invite you. Okay. December Hana marry.
Oh, come on, happy marriage in advance.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, pardon.
Oyo.
Domo, sir.
Oyo.
The show you only contributing.
Yo.
Domo. Monica, ni ebe jire we oku. Eyin ebikin. What a boy, we had do one like social media, who want one proper, you wear one night, you wear one night, yeah, Zola, you want to oh, when you want to I being a robot. Oh my goodness, because of what the age, or man suppose not do interfere and they'll hear what the well as a public, or hear about a relationship. Why Tiona, what you maybe in young because the mama complain my, the woman complain my, or I don't complain my. Oh, we are here with me, yeah, is or free, or yeah, we know when we here. No, we are here with me, who can I go see Yahoo? If you don't mind the organic, almost to you where?
Yes.
As long as we yes, you right to take care of you. Only problem on one way. Because I we need him with the cross. At least a godfather, I'm a godfather the year and a swan. I'm a godmother and a swan. Yeah, you go away godmother.
Yes.
Oh, you be our godfather and a swan. I don't know why I'm going to here another problem.
Okay, very many Jena na ya go godmother me we picture you want to give this my godmother you are daji. Here okay if vandalize the godmother me. Yeah, internal me godmother. Make I the godmother me we picture this my godmother I miss you godmother. Or any me we say godmother me okay yeah we here do I love you godmother go. Okay yeah say marriage godmother go.
Because of money, the way no ya we be as the wala jam so ko gbado amu e mate e robe lazia eri e we kene no pa eri e ko ye beche do I describe here when I wodo. In fact, if you know that the union mind the right at all, mag bakakaka ere ya gwa relationship o mag ba ya see ezo yo we mani ezo no ko e ti wo nya na no ko ya see yo.
Where say call us Adebawe.
Yeah, pardon.
So, hello, caller. Hello.
Hello. Mr. Faye, it's where Baba.
It's where you are looking.
Program when I only contribute.
What you?
Ohoni no call for ban voice je na kene ni na wa yi lala. The voice you only reply. Owe man ebori na gwe mu picture we o makeke no gwe bia ni niri oko yu wan mu picture otagba ni oni no efe yonu no Facebook
uwe
yonu no ko ni Facebook account oge nu we ya ku we Facebook oge oko ni me e picture pia mu we Facebook oge.
Okay,
so oni na bolofua owo ko ba no kata asi we iyan tie.
Oh, one of the person call up way 006 wait make it talk finish. What you my brother?
So no boy ohoni no kata ba we no boy ya ka wi romance e Monica maladi dogun o sanu bo adibai. Many gagele a ohi e Monica o reply obo. O ti na very my we gun na Monica magun kan yan ni. You understand me? So now ne be gana no we program ojibo land be normal stainless no na ya gwe obaseki mu picture be do vederio to baseki we ya
uguane baba utane
to baseki we ya o magi o na o be na igari o yo wa o na igaro wodo ona mi ma no eseti kwa mu picture na wa for now again na no ate drama if menogu we gwana egene hona na su nwa na ge hona no we dramiko mama ji no na su nwa no so divide your national moi shape your national cake ma boy gba mu picture ba we video ni ma boy gba mu picture only me wait me gi we no na gume mu picture.
Okay,
wa ya ho no ta wo basro obasu gina television we ne nínú man wahana o de mi noria abi wo do ba so jije yin no robo do no bo wi o ma nínú ya gun o zuwa Don't want a contribution by me.
Because now we don't time one. But I see no reason. Ni Maya, yana ya mo accuse Opasu Yellow.
My brother. Sorry, no, just 5 minutes. The problem number one, you understand? Most of our Benin women, 80% they are too local.
Okay.
Sorry to say, they are too local because the way they are raising, even the way they are raising. Okay, first and foremost, a Davido, uno ko ebiene, when you video buy me like a whiskey, uno ko ebiene, when you video buy me like a okay, when I want you any person wants to know the idea to, or maybe any star of our superstar, who are mistaken Amania. Yes, so I call them why you also cannot marry, why you want to marry Jonah maybe. Now crime to marry your wife, the woman complain. When you social media the video ballad that I call them a whiskey or the video with the video, you could be a single mother, you bring a condom all those our superstar.
It be what woman here.
Let me just tell you, the truth is bitter. This Lolo is behind of this problem in Monica. Sorry to say, 80% of Asian women where they speak Benin, where they follow Monica, they don't like Benin. They want make problem they come between Benins. If they give them joy. Now they persuade Monica. Also, especially those one where they born for Benin, where they hear Benin, where they born for side Benin, they hear Benin where. Now then, if Monica bring any topic now, if you look their comment, they don't be read Benin, they born there. They only the one make Benin not get peace. Now they be the problem we will get for social media. If you see people where they sponsor this monkey face, now then they only they comment for monkey face this thing. People where they support Monica and Co for both message and all those one where they born for side Benin, now then piece of Benin people they don't need them. Where do you want a problem? Now none of now be the key where they only they push Monica go from because you don't bring her in people don't go manner. That is why he only they push Monica go they do one. And because of the useless and the stupidity where they worry Monica, he forget say home is home. Okay, now me I ask her one question. You go fit tell me any of Nollywood actress where you know the friend married women. Okay, when Atiku sleep with Inedo there, you don't ever see any Calabar woman come up for social media and say why Inedo go to sleep with Atiku. There is no Nollywood actress where he go talk and come out for social media. All those people say they don't agree with politicians. They don't agree with politicians. You don't never see them come out one day they condemn them. Now we like small part our village, our tribe, nice small part for Nigeria, for the whole Nigeria. Now we they bring ourselves come out. 80%, 99% of our women where they be Europe, they too local. They allow their localness. Now they come out for public. They talk anyhow. They destroy people. Anybody who want Monica, I never see Monica. Even since then, when they decide this court issue, Monica never come condemn her. Since then, when they announce and come and say, even our Oba want to do a festival, I never see Monica don't bring her come and want to say, why Monica don't they celebrate with people where they happy? They know they tell Monica to celebrate with these people, but if now we they want content Benin, why Monica don't they bring another tribe? My brother, now for this human trafficking away the rain, away Igbo people now they carry our Benin women out.
Igbo young they carry our Benin women, they go to Dubai, go to
Monica never come out one day. They condemn and say, why Igbo people they condemn, why they carry our Benin women, they go to Dubai, they go to destroy them. Even the most never even come out one day they destroy Igbo, they fear to talk to Igbo, they fear to talk to Yoruba. But if you go to Benin, if you do the way they will come out, they go get 20,000. So useless men, so useless people go they support them. And a lot of people when they support the way they speak all those things, many of them they don't go from our state. They both the dead they speak.
Honey, go on. I dey hear my brother.
You understand, my brother? So my brother, only waiting I will just let you know. Waiting the problem we just get. I must beg this our people where they born for Benin. May they let us get peace. I beg them. We need peace for that. We need peace. So they destroy people. It's not good. That is how they destroy destiny. Those are the people where they make our community they okay. If destiny even do bad, we get the way we take the issue. And if they talk this issue, they know they use our own local language they talk. They go want to speak English, they make the whole world a year. Say me now they know about who perfect for this world.
Oh, that caller don't go to your sweater. Caller 006 wait, hello the year. So talk me one
up. Okay. We bring Esther down now. We bring Ebony down. We bring Destiny down. How many people remain for the Edo? For the They support evil.
God will bless
you. Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
God bless you. You see, now these are waiting while they kick against Monica. Not be everything Bini Monica, Lolo. You don't want to cause commotion in our land. These are the things I don't like. Now I make her come out. Monica, they condemn anybody where they accept. Now I make her come talk unto them. Hello?
Hello? Hello, bro. Domo.
Yeah.
If they only may contribute again by first time of calling.
Oh yeah, call anywhere.
My baby, that guy in Ogwawa. Every day, every day, we have to patakie wa. Mother, every day, get maybe where all those things. My baby, Davido take a whiskey because those two people they are not married. When they think about the wife no be rover, how maybe we have a gas or all those things we have a fee here. Only number one thing. Every support of anybody you understand it. For me, I'm not supposed to only one picture one Latina. Man understand the picture the man you want to say no, it's very only man Godfather, mother Sunday, sir. They told you and the wife, the wedding said the wife and the pony. Mother Sunday, sir. What is not supposed for her to do that kind of a thing? I think we will get a point in there. So the thing is that I blame Monica. I'm not in support of anybody. That guy is married. No, we are not married. No one. It's okay. Don't blame me because everybody married. Married. This young one. Because on your piano, okay, David don't we happy and big with never. David don't marry. If we skip your marry. If you can still remember, the David don't he married. This is trauma. We are introduction there. David don't maybe look
wherever, madam, wherever. Why I really where you could no artist, no musician, no ya pay. Can you not go? Can you must you
it's okay. Not another only if you can still remember those two guests that are
any Yahweh, congratulations to you. Wow, if you win a map when you want to tell you my mama dinner or dinner with my only because of
for me, that you are a married man.
Okay, when you say now, damn you already now. No matter. Only every time as a famous only me go you no see toy. Now we Godfather me don't know.
For me, everybody is very wrong. We don't have some of that for
Madam, marry now. Marry. When I got time, I let me picture me down.
Allora, parle è nota no. Immagine Evidano.
Evidano.
This one my
God, madam, when point in me, baby, Yanuta, a point in me, and he take it that a little on a point in me, Nuta, we about enemy. Mini or that be or 1 minute. Well, I got a few about the point we worry. Okay, I won't be a cake one equal to me, madam. Money be a cake where you want, one equal a cake where you are. Who am I video or your woman and where? Who am I only a video? Mommy only white trouble now. Oh, my, madam. Okay. So, my people, I mean, you don't take one camera now. You don't put in the you want to take the last call on hello? Hello.
Domo.
Oh, yo. Why 2 minutes?
I just want to reply this one I just sent.
Okay, reply.
Then you do. Ruda de programme do no. Owe o ma keke na eboni wa mu ya pape di man ya gwa kana. Wo kan mo picture. So bros wa finish
what yo?
Ya tape Two-Face live performance in Berlin. Oje last year yan we. After we Two-Face play for ne, we are here talking man. If you Nigeria man and many other black, even here are little Two-Face more picture.
What you?
What Two-Face we have any here little Two-Face more picture.
Only if you are talking about it, me call her wet now. You know little Two-Face more picture now when they Two-Face now more and one we have Germany.
Berlin.
Berlin, Germany.
So, if I need to Two-Face with picture ni, then one of give me over where or wait Two-Face.
Call her now. I want go call you. Go down your way.
What understand even? So, when you reply about. And secondly, we are here where Ebony where or walking the man ya what relationship between two of them.
Boy,
between you, the last caller, and Ebony and the wife of this man you are talking about. You understand me? And now woman say waga got those primitive to just damage the beauty here. If you don't relate to them, you don't know how they are eating. Then you keep on saying, yeah, when you don't tell me you not see something here, you can't say it. Or maybe setting your mother with godfather, or maybe setting your mother with godmother. There is this woman, Nobiate Dramedu. There was one certain time, and I'm a marriage Joseph. But we sit together, we snap together, and do everything together. Then, when now, I want to hear me wait.
No.
Wow.
Thank you, caller.
Tomo.
You know, Umiania, wani buni call you, wani bunwa we Two-Face don't baby Dublin, Berlin. When they Two-Face, when I am with picture, Two-Face now be boy your way now. Wamatoni la dian. One wado ria bi to walo, caller.
Hello.
1 minute to go down.
Pardon mo. Pay as a contribute.
And now we hear 1 minute no go on.
Okay. Pay me as a contribute. We have a Monica Tani. Them matter no, them matter my but the only thing me constant yo okay. Opera no roe Nigeria no that be no more. I made operation ya be o dey.
Oh man, wa na no si only you way now. Oh, be a very major. I made that be a me bishop to why I'm going go ni why is your living yo? One it won't ask your living now. Egbe wa wo me o be operation or ma be operation. Is that your business in the matrimonial home? On fear phone o tani answer only my anybody. Oh, I make a be me bishop any popular now. Who man Kevin only why one was zago a marriage here. Oh, I know that be a what me? What kill why ya do Zayevo? Wanipo now. They get last caller now. Caller go on France. Hello, caller from France. Go on. Call your my sister here.
I dey watch your program. Make they tell Monica, make Monica enter house.
Yes.
Wetin she not know one, wetin she not know, make she not dey talk her again. Ebo you never marry, so if can fuck anything, she like to fuck. So nobody, no, you not concern anybody because Toto not dey read meter.
Okay.
Now wetin me see for there.
Okay, no problem, child. So today, when I don't see all this thing now, we they talk. Wait till I sleep for this issue. To my conclusion of everybody don't air a view. This is my own view. It don't give me about one. It will not soon need. Or my go, my more picture. Or my way video there. Or my day in Noria. And to one mirror with Philly King of Philly. Or my don't be ever. Or wait, what here? You are my daddy for life. Or my way, you are my what? Husband. You are my boyfriend. I got father. Somebody, people call me. Okay, when I tell a pastor daddy, a banki mere wani oni bunije church me we a pastor wa boss wae. What a pastor daddy, my daddy. That means a pastor with a daddy home. Oh, you know there. If no, why I am mugui your way or good daddy, wogu mudiabe, be mwepisho. Mosiko egbe emidano so don't give me most of una wa kere mi bidano wa. For me, I have never seen anything that Ebony has committed any crime. It is when in a me Ebony love your cover, love your crime, mark them in Ogia unda biama. I am you biane a cultural tradition mano or mazago wae. No white warrior be a wami oma no dear ni any one winning warrior ni wa. Equal yoni. On that way, we hear to talk show a tradition man. Amos lele. My able, my culture, my tradition. So any what do I menu hear do you no not conclude the one out of one video that well lelo away me down. O ma demi no ria. O piano. O ma kamuni ono bon keri o ari lawa. Mani bia ma amuni wo ma eri o pa ni ma ero no ask wife ari lawa. O go ask wife on ari lawa. Abi o one your first one so why go come wa on was here so you one here. Men are born to shit. And men, according to our culture, we have a tradition that's the place we can marry more than one wife. It's not a crime. I had a friend then our man got married any. One to a date or more, my dear. But Mogi made a jam we do your little number bishop. It Ladian Tamua, yes, you are real. We are traditional men. We need to call a spade a spade. No are telling a man in Mutia or Lele Mupistol, Lele go away, yes. Is that a crime? Is it a crime? A crime in Noah. Is it a crime? So that's the reason why you are not tamu fefe. Why I retire your nona? Why kill it's not a crime. It's not a crime. It is not a crime. In a day, man, I do you bude no biawo o ya fair. No wa mweme boni mweme Wesley no sivye do koto. In a do wa kill wo. E deba o biawo no mwye do boto we bona awano. It don't le mana. Don't want wa ya. Wa ni bon no wa we mi kana. Imagine ni kokopina vandalize wa so no or you are one na. Because my Monica nia, but when I be red light, my Kokobiri vandalize when the mental be changing on the vandalization of Kokobiri. And Monica now belong to Ezans Association, which is the shellage of Ezans Association. Automatically, she will never be happy for any woman to live happily in a matrimonial home. How can a Monica be happy for any woman to live peacefully in a matrimonial home? She will rather put pains in that marriage. Waremi ya no she look ogwa no toto mano ya active problem me we goni wa mwezon ipo but e na ya do na ya wo e ro tu na ya go ya bible na ya go ba dole doji eje undono na ina do tam wa ya fe even wa mieni Ebony Maria be e Wesley Maria be iya ma we mi o iya ma we mi gan e mo pa ro ni commit any crime. A crime irrebani was Nisiwa wa tan wa yo bo gbonu wa unure na gbogbo tu eri agun wa need a prayer ya pray ni wa abi wo no exams association ke de nene pa wa ya pop no say for other people marriage o we just anu that why we say abi o to vandalization association exams association why you debate na ya bo why we say nu wa kere wo nu wa yo bu wa ye gbe west re nu wa yo bu wa ye gbe boni black re aboni Obasuji re nu wa ri o nu wa se oliri ye bo wa kore sapa o wa kore teslipa na west re no wa kere wo na miere avano udo adegan wa ya no sioguri yo domame ima mieni kin ni ayari abe so undona dado egbedon na ri degbe mu eme no we gbe ata undawe oriyaro owa in wa go ba dole doji wa nu wa mu pens wa mi opo ni no do oyo no do avie do na wo e mo wo ni kan abo wo ni no da bie na eme na eme no eken wa amula data wa no oni avie wa ego be ni akegun ado mo sari omo wiyan na wa be si oliri yo wa ni iwie do wa kere mi dan we no vie gon no e trivia do na no we mi dan na kere wo me no uye do na do ri bude no bia wo wa ya kere mi dan o me se me wa kere wo ni ma goba dole doji na miere emi no sunu na ni ma tawe courtism must stop ni ma be mu jabe tawe Governor Godwin Obaseki for 2020 abe tawe 2020 na ya liegbe iyebe ye Governor Godwin Obaseki o ekeni mi warita unda Governor Godwin Obaseki o mwegbe no ya dole doji oni yon wa ya preach Governor Godwin for 2020, Governor Godwin Obaseki for 2020, Governor Godwin Obaseki for 2020. When water 4+4 ogba 4+4 only when water and courtism must stop. And what do I claim no magba? Wa kerewo no wa sie boni Obasuji aye, no wa sie Wesley Asoro aye, no wa ri muni edo gboto, no wa kerewo e mapare webo. Na miera do ati ma yunu zangbima ima yunu ri agbima wa o oni mi no gba u de o kin ma aye ne gbima be social media na me ni ma kere mi dan ma me no ma ke ma do ri bu de na mo fure yo na ya ri aro e ku yo ni undonna na do ri bu de ne Monica no kere mi dan an ko tu dan our association exams association wareri riawo oni woni do tam wa emina emenu ye do tam e mana na mo eso edene na waya igba o ko to se waya ro tuno riawo wareri screen amobo wa ribudi ni ama kerewo wa lenia na do agie about to done okay so wa ye do wa ikerewo emi no kan Ebony Obasuji and Wesley Asoro wa enaitamu wa ya vote for Governor Godwin Obaseki for 2020 when water and wa be preaching courtism must stop and stop the killing in Edo State. Natawe aye Mafania stop the killing and let them embrace peace and let Benin be peaceful. That is what we want. Any man do I see only yevo to a yano akonri egbima ima koyoni ige dadore gun o sena do yam yo no mo itam wawe edene na ofure ma yam ye utedo no yo no ya bible ora lobiri enayata emans wayani mabo wa yausa ni ka agbaru wa bia guy wa nyama ya subscribe to Yedo Talk Show YouTube channel Yedo Talk Show from wa can subscribe na do tam wa nyama me not the Kokobere master husband to us single mother. Yes, if you don't want to be my wife, you can go and marry. Woman I marry, automatically you are my wife. The husband to us single mother. The decent single mother will not be the wayward one. Okay, so no Yedo is what the Kokobere master husband to us single mother. And this is me. husband, to all single mother. I greet you all and God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Wanna take care. We are going to wanna take care. Well, pass any Monica, the twinkle little star, no carry me down. Now you are serious do koto. In a year, take care. Ciao.